A very warm welcome to the channel, and what a glorious day it is here in Nottingham, England. So any excuse to get grilling. Goodness me, it's that nice. I've even got the pins out. God help us. Now you may be wondering what I'm stood behind. It is the Ninja Woodfire grill, and what a box of tricks it is. So easy to use, so easy to clean, really convenient, and results are amazing. Now I did review this a couple of weeks ago on the channel. If you'd like to check it out, a link for that video is coming up on the screen now. So as you probably know, I just love grilling. I'm a big fan of the Weber kettles, and it's now my mission to pull all of my favourite recipes that I've learned over the years, pull it over from the grill and into the wood fire, and let's see if they work, let's see if I can improve them, if they're better, worse. We'll see. So I'm hoping you're going to join me for the journey. And I have noticed that there is a distinct lack of content for the Ninja Woodfire grill, so I want to share all of my favourite recipes with you lovely people. Now every griller or pitmaster, or whatever you want to call them, has a good wings recipe in their repertoire, and I'm no different. So I'm taking my favourite recipe that I've cooked time and time again on the Weber grill, and I'm going to try it for the first time here with the Ninja Woodfire grill, and I'm really excited to see if they're worse, better, the same. Let's see. So what we're waiting for, let's get them wings marinated and let's just see what's coming up. Here I'm using 1 kilo of chicken wings. Firstly, using a good pair of poultry scissors or a sharp knife, separate the wing from the drum. Now add your chicken to a bowl and add the following rub ingredients. Followed by 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Right, let's rock these wings. I have half a hopper of hickory pellets. Let's just pop these in. Should keep it burning for a good half hour at least, so, which is all we need. Got a bit of a stray there. Let's go to the control panel. I've got the air fry basket in already. We're going to go to air fry mode. Hit the ignition first, so we want some smoke with this. I'm going to set the temperature to 190°C. Set the timer for an initial 20 minutes. Hit that start button. And away we go. Right, okay, the add food is illuminated. The air fryer basket's ready. Let's get this chicken on. One bit of advice if you are air frying, don't line your air fry basket with foil, because the heat can't generate underneath it and around it. And that's kind of like the whole point. Let's get these on. Smell of smoke's awesome. It's now saying close lid, but give me a few seconds just to get these in. 1 kilo of wings just fits this air fry basket nice and snug without any overcrowding. Let's just pop this lid down, and we're going to flick these in about 9 minutes. Whilst your wings are cooking, let's make a quick chilli glaze. Grab yourself a red chilli, de-seed and finely dice. Chili, add 3 grated cloves of garlic. In a small pan, add 3 tablespoons of sesame oil. Keep on a low heat while your wings cook. Okay, the flip food has flashed, so we're 9 minutes into the cook. It smells absolutely incredible. I'm just going to turn these ribs over, give it another 9 minutes and get the old temperature probe and see where we're at. Now after 18 minutes these wings are now cooked, so let's take them to the next level. Now admittedly at this point I'm several beers deep, so to save yourself making an absolute mess like I did here, before adding 50 grams of Parmesan cheese I recommend that you line the basket with foil at this point. Give the basket a good shake, place back on the air fry for 2 minutes, and this is the result. These wings look incredible. But before we tuck in, we've got to add the final touch. Transfer those wings into a bowl and add that lovely chili glaze we made earlier. Give them a good old mix up. Transfer to a board. And finish off with some finely chopped chives. And a wee sprinkle of sesame seeds. Now all that's left to do is tuck in. If you enjoyed today's video, I really would appreciate it if you just hit that like button. Each one makes all the difference and it really does help my channel. If you're thinking about purchasing a Woodfire grill, I'm putting my Amazon affiliate link to the product in the video description. If you purchase using the link, it helps me and my channel a little bit, and all proceeds go towards video equipment, microphones, and just making my content better for you guys. So for more Ninja content, TM6 content, sous vide content, and all sorts of cooking content, remember to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.